I came across Multisori M3 through a Facebook group that I follow with fellow Montessorians throughout the world. As I came across Multisori M3, I was very inquisitive about what it was about. I had taught virtually Montessori at home the previous year and was very interested in the curriculum that was created for people to use at home to teach their children. I looked over the curriculum after talking with Mandy, the creator of Montessori M3. And looking through the curriculum, I really enjoyed all the parts that it gave as if you were in the classroom. It has the language, the math, the science, which includes zoology, biology, history, and geography, and of course the two special things that they teach in primary, which is practical life and sensorial. These were great at everything that was in them. The thing that I liked the most about the whole curriculum was the pictures. They were very vibrant and they were true to life. In Montessori, we use real pictures when teaching the child. The practical life teaches skills that the child needs in and out of the classroom or in and out of your home. So it's really good to use with young children ages 3 to 6.